Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a Gongura pachadi or a sorrel leaves chutney. It's an Andhra style recipe and it makes a deliciously spicy and tangy chutney. This is the list of ingredients required. These are the sorrel leaves. I have taken 2 bunches, which is about 200 grams. Just take the leaves and cut out the stems. In a pan, heat 2 teaspoons oil. Swirl to coat the oil well. Take 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 8 FENUGREEK or METHI seeds, 10 to 12 red chillies and 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Add it to the hot oil. Cook on 3 to 4 minutes and keep the flame low so that the spices don't burn. Now the spices have become aromatic. The garlic is lightly brown. Take care, do not burn. Transfer these spices to a mixer jar. To the same oil, add the sorrel leaves, 2 teaspoons salt and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The Gongura leaves will wilt, change color and become dark like this. It took 2 to 3 minutes to get this stage. Grind the spices first. The spices need more time than Gongura to become smooth, so grind them before adding the Gongura. Grind it to a coarse paste first, like this. Add the Gongura leaves. Grind to a smooth paste. You will need to scrape the jar and the cap once or twice. Continue grinding till you get a smooth paste like this. Transfer this to a bowl and keep it ready. The paste is very sticky, so if you try taking it out of the mixer after the tadka, you will waste time and the tadka will burn. So keep it ready now. Heat 2 teaspoons oil again. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal. Cook for about 30 seconds. Now add 5 to 6 red chillies, 5 cloves of garlic which are finely sliced and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Cook for 2 minutes. Add a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and the Gongura paste. Again, cook for 2 to 3 minutes on the lowest flame. And we are done. Our spicy and tangy Gongura pachadi is ready. I can't resist, I have to taste it now. Amazing. You can eat this with hot rice and ghee or with dosa, roti, rice and dal, your choice. It goes well with everything. If you like this video, please like and share it. And for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture. Thank you.